Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing a folding surprise cloud. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. We're gonna start folding the paper in half. Then we're gonna take the bottom part and fold in half again. Now we're gonna flip it over and fold one more time, and then we're gonna open it, you're gonna flip it, and we're gonna start drawing right here. Hello little artists, today we're gonna draw a folding surprise cloud. I'm using my paper in this way and it opens like this, or it can open this way, it's the same. We're gonna start drawing the eyes, and we're gonna do first here is leave 4 finger space. You can even leave 5 finger space from the corner of the paper to here, and we're gonna do an oval shape. We're gonna fill that with black. Next, we're gonna leave a space about 2 fingers, and we're gonna fill the next eye with black as well. Now, we're gonna draw the cloud in the outside a little sad. So instead of a smile, we're gonna draw a straight line. And we're gonna draw the eyebrows pointing up. So that's gonna give us a sad face or a sad expression. Now we're gonna leave 2 finger space or even 3, and we're gonna start doing a curve that go up. The same thing in the other side. We're gonna do a curve up. Now we're gonna join these curves, doing more curves, and you can do as many as you want. I'm gonna do mine big. I'm gonna do here a second one and a third one. Now let's cross the folding part going down, and we're gonna do a curve, and in the other side the same. And now we're gonna join these two the same. 1 and 2. Now these also have to be the same as mine. This is just an idea, but you can change this. The last thing we're gonna do here, we're gonna do raindrops that are going out of the cloud because she's a little sad. So we're gonna start doing these drops here, and we're gonna scatter the drops underneath this little cloud. There. Okay, that's it for the outside part. Now let's open the paper. And the first thing we're gonna do is finish the cloud on the top. We're gonna cross the folding part. We're gonna do our curves on the sides. And now we're gonna join the same on the bottom with a couple more curves, or until you reach the other side. There. Now let's do the cloud on the bottom. Now we're gonna cross the folding part. We're gonna curve. Same thing. Now let's cross on the top, and I'm gonna copy what I did on the top. I'm gonna do big curves, big curve here, and I'm gonna try to leave a space here, a 2 finger space between the cloud and the folding part. There. Now this cloud is happy. We're gonna make sure that draw the face on top of the folding part. So I'm gonna do here my oval shape, leave a space, another one. And again, make sure that do not cross this folding part. Here we're gonna do the smile. So we're gonna do a line in between the eyes. And I'm doing an open mouth with a curve and a curve. Because this cloud is happy, we're gonna do a rainbow coming out of her. So this rainbow comes from this point to the end of the paper, and from here, we're not gonna cross these folding parts, okay? So we're gonna start here, we're gonna curve, it's going in behind the first cloud. And here, I'm just gonna mark the end, going from the cloud to the end of the paper. And this part, we're gonna do it at the end with the colors, so stay until the end so you can see how I did it. The last thing we're gonna do is put in more raindrops here underneath this cloud in the space that I'm having left here. And there, that's it. We finished our little cloud. Let's check how it looks when we close it. And this is how it looks when we open. I hope you like this lesson, and now my favorite part is coming. Let's color! Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my little cloud looks in the outside. I use light blue in the edges to give us some volume and a little bit of darker blue around her eyes. Now let's check in the inside. And here is this picture that brights it up with a rainbow that is gonna make this one happy. Remember that you can use this one for somebody that you want to cheer up. Here you can even add a message instead of these raindrops for that person. In the rainbow, what I did is with the colors I went doing lines or doing curves, and I add 8 colors, and this is the part where you can pause the video if you want to copy the order of these colors. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!